Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing this gorgeous unit that was sent out to me by Luvme here. But before we get started, let me tell you about these Black Friday deals they have going on. Now, if you go to shopluvmehere.com and then you click on Black Friday Big Sale, they are having their lowest prices of the year. Check out their top picks for the hottest items. Also, follow Luvme here on Instagram and Facebook to stay updated on the latest deals. We all know that Black Friday is just around the corner, November 29th. And be sure to check out the coupon codes that I have listed in the description box for all of the savings. And be sure to also follow them on Instagram and Facebook and stay updated with their live streams and website promotions. Now let's go ahead and get into this review. PartingMax Glueless Wig, Bouncy and Voluminous Long Curls, Pre-cut 7x6 closure, HD lace wig. I'm absolutely loving these pre-cut, ready to go wigs. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So here's the box that it comes in. So you are going to get a nice storage bag, of course. Here is a Luvme hair clip, super cute. Makeup sponge. This also have the branding right on the sponge for you. You get some labels, of course the Luvme logo on the back. You get some HD wig caps. Absolutely love this. You get a nice little bonnet. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the wig, which is always super exciting. Of course, it always comes nicely packaged, and as you can see, this is already pre-curled for you. So I don't think I'm gonna have to do a lot to this wig. We're basically gonna wear it and go basically. As you can see, really pretty curls. And this is like in a natural black hair color, very, very nice. As you can see, it's already pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached for you as well, and it's glueless, which I absolutely love. And let's take a little bit closer look at the inside construction of the wig cap. So here is a closer look at the wig. So as you can see, it does have that 7x6 closure right there, so you can part anywhere in that 7x6 parting. It's glueless, as you can see. You don't have to worry about bonding anything down with this wig. And it does have that really nice HD lace as well. So you do get combs on both the left and the right sides of the wig right there, as you can see. You get this comb in the back. You get a elastic strap in the back, so you can adjust the wig to your head size. And it does also come with this anti-slip silicone band right here in the back. The density of this wig is 180%. Look at that. This is so beautiful, already pre-curled for you. And I did get mine in a 24-inch. So I am going to go ahead and put the wig on, style it up, and we are going to come back with my final thoughts. Okay, I am back. Oh my God, like, look at this wig. Oh my God, super beautiful. Look at these curls. These definitely are voluminous. And this is exactly what my hair looks like when I wand curl my natural hair. Super beautiful. And all I did was pick the curls apart one by one because it will come, as you saw in the previous clip, really tight packaged curls. And once you separate this hair, it just completely transforms. This looks like my hair. Super beautiful, super natural. I absolutely love the hairline. Now let's take a closer look at the hairline. Super natural. All I did was add my pressed powder right in the parting area. Look how natural this looks. HD lace, completely glueless. No glue, no nothing. This is what the hairline looks like. Probably could have clipped off these little pieces on the side, but that's okay. I will worry about that later. But this is what the hairline of the wig looks like. Super duper natural. Completely glueless, as you can see. Everybody needs a wig in their collection for that day where you just are having a bad hair day, didn't have time to wash your hair, want a protective style, any of those things. And like I said before, this is 24 inches. So when the hair is stretched, it comes down the hair, which is actually the same length as my natural hair. I'm currently at 24 inches, so this is like my hair. Look at it. This is my hair. This is how the wig looks from the side. Very voluminous, very full. And it's layered too. Like, I currently got my hair layered. This wig is layered, so you have like the shortest piece over here. So it kind of frames your face. And then the rest of the wig is long. Super gorgeous. Has that nice curve parting. I never like to repart it because they always get the curve parting like perfect. And I love the curved parting, but if you wanted to, you could part this down the middle. You can do a left side part, a right side part. You can do a zigzag part. Like I said before, anywhere in that 7x6 closure. Here's a look at the hair from the back. Super bouncy. Here is the hair all to the front. Super beautiful density. Oh my God. This wig is bomb. You can get this wig in anything between 14 inches to 26 inches. I honestly can't think of one con to this wig. I think it's absolutely beautiful and super easy for people like me who aren't pros at wigs. I literally did barely nothing. Love Me Here did everything for you. Everything is pre-cut, pre-styled, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-everything. But I absolutely love this unit. Thank you so much to Love Me Here for sending this out to me for review. Give this video a like if you like the wig. Check out Love Me Here's website. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.